Now, the Jamaica Race Drivers Club, JRDC, recently hosted its prize-giving ceremony to award the drivers who were successful at the Carnival of Speed meet in May, their first meet this year at the Dover Raceway in St. Ann. Denise Walters reports.
The JRDC and its stakeholders expressed delight at the support they received after hosting their first meet in 7 months, following extensive damage caused by Hurricane Melissa.
We are aware that our members were heavily affected by the hurricane. Much of who wanted to come out weren't able to turn up, and so it created some difficulty for them. So much of them were heartbroken. Nevertheless, we decided to go ahead with those who are present. So whoever came out, we decided that we were going to race with them, and we had a wonderful day. We got very good reviews from patrons as well as racers to say that this feels like the old-time Dover.
Let me tell you, all credit must go to the members of the board, the new members of the board. They really put an effort into bringing it back, along with a lot of people, drivers, supporters who came out and helped us to put the track back in order.
It was a wonderful experience. This is my second race meet, actually. We had some ups and downs for the previous meet, but we came through, we pulled through.
JRDC Chairman Terrell Marshall, along with Charles Phillips and Othni Lawrence Jr. were among the awardees on the night that walked away with multiple trophies.
It's a great feeling, you know. It's a different kind of joy that I feel looking at that trophy and seeing the name being placed behind the work that is being put in, that they were truly rewarded for the work that they have done.
That's just a little part of it, trust me. It makes you want to do more.
I didn't think it was going to happen based on what's happening, like the things to be fixed because of Melissa, and like just drivers coming together. Everybody has their own challenges, even to bring their race cars there. So I think it was very tedious for them to put all together, but obviously they did it. We're here now. We have awards. We're fellowshipping now, talking about the previous. So I feel like it's a great hill that we overcame.
Meanwhile, the next race meet will be held in a month's time, and all are looking forward to another successful staging as the rebuilding process continues.
Our expectation is just limitless. We're excited about some old folks who haven't raced in a while. So they're coming out, they're coming back. They said they want to be on track, they want to participate, they want to be a part of this. They've been giving us just good reviews about what they're seeing, and they're excited. I am excited, my team is excited about what's to come, because I'm racing too, so I'm totally excited about what we're about to achieve.
Definitely looking forward to it. Car is ready, just some minor things to be done, but it will be ready in time, yes.
I think I need more prep, as in basically like, you know, I'm still an amateur, so I still have like little things I need to work on, like make sure this is happening, make sure this person looks after this, make sure I'm prepped, just mentally. So I feel like I just need to be more prepared this time coming in.
The second Carnival of Speed meet for the year is set for August 2. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.